about what we're gonna find in here. So
I like the sound of that.
plant bomb. Miss Valeria with the knife.
It's beautiful. Ooh. Darn.
Is it a
I used to collect these things when I was a child, and I'd say, I'm gonna make something out of them. Garlic tahini. Okay, I really like the sound of that.
garlic tahini? Are they all different flavors?
Tahini, lemon juice, garlic, cumin, sea salt, and black pepper.
Oh, I got a Thai almond
So maybe there's like
too.
two.
Thai almond.
I really do love tahini sauce.
And then we got Caribbean pepper. Caribbean pepper.
Mama will like that one. What are we gonna eat these with right now? Because I need to taste.
It's plant-based, non-GMO, dairy-free, and gluten-free. I would have put this on everything.
I think this would be good on
stir-fry,
salads, right?
salad. Come on, baby.
We are a sauce family. We really love our sauces. So, sauce on everything. Absolutely everything that you can think of. We also like to mix sauces.
I'm gonna have the maple cereal.
The one that has maple syrup in it. Do you know which one has maple syrup?
So for the looks of things, these are ingredients that we use a lot, and it's really nice to have things already made. You just get it from the store and not have to get all the individual ingredients and put it together and make a sauce with all the natural organic ingredients that we would already put in the food. So I'm really excited to try.
So let's go ahead and dig in then. Let's try the garlic tahini.
Valeria is one of the only children who can like really handle heat. Like we did a jelly bean challenge with the highest jelly beans, and what was it? The California Reaper?
It was California Reaper.
She can handle a California Reaper.
I had 4 of them.
Okay. Okay, I guess I'll take this.
Another one.
Vanilla chip.
I like it a lot.
The tahini tastes like ketchup to me.
Ketchup.
Yeah.
Hey, what do we have here?
We got sausage.
We got plant bomb.
Plant bomb sausage. Oh, that's delicious. You know what?
It's quite delectable.
This is giving me, it's reminding me of my Thai peanut sauce that I put on my green beans. Although this is tahini, but it still reminds me of that.
Not a big thing. It's pretty like creamy. That's what I love. I love creamy sauce.
It's a smooth sauce. It's very tasty.
Yeah, I'm going to taste this one.
I would put this on a salad, definitely.
I love cereal.
Syrup.
Wait, what was this flavor again? What is this?
With the
Oh, the almond.
Yeah, Thai almond.
Thai
What are the
almond.
ingredients?
Garlic.
Almond butter, lime juice, agave, garlic, ginger, bird's eye chili.
Yeah, that already sounds absolutely great.
This one reminds me more. Because it has like a
Those
tanginess or like
jelly bean.
a tartness to it. But
Yeah,
this
I
one,
did.
The thing I like about the Thai, is it Thai almond?
Yes.
Yeah, Thai almond is that it has an extra like tart, sour tanginess to it that the garlic tahini does not have. Garlic tahini is much more creamy, smooth flavors. This Thai peanut is so good. I mean Thai almond. For those with peanut allergies. Thai almonds. All right.
I love almond butter.
No,
But I made something that tastes just like that. And it's
like
just really good.
it tastes like something in particular that I've had before, but I can't name.
So I actually want to get another plate because these flavors go together actually. These two go together really well.
Well, I have the maple cereal part.
Caribbean
Well, that one
pepper.
has agave.
Yeah, I think this is the one. Yeah, you're right. This is the maple syrup one.
Yeah, this one had agave.
Are you ready
For a
for
taste? Oh
You
yeah.
ready for a taste of some plant bomb? Okay, I'm gonna make certain that it's real, mixed.
I wonder why it's called plant bomb.
Because the flavor is
Explosive!
Alright, this one has a kick to it right here.
This one got a kick. Am I taking too much on here?
No, just give it a try.
that's really good.
Yeah.
Ooh!
Wait a
There's a
minute.
little bit of jerk in there.
Oh my gosh.
I love those.
Good
Oh my
flavor.
god.
But this is just the right amount of
That's really
heat.
good.
Like it's like a cake, but it doesn't like
It's not
make your
it's not
But it's too spicy for you?
it's not making your taste buds
No, it is in a great way.
no explode. No, like to the point where you can't taste the next thing you want.
Right. No, like
Right.
I don't like it if it's too spicy to where I can't taste the food. But this is like just the right amount of heat. It's really good.
Okay, this is
And tangy and
Maybe
flavorful.
pepper.
It also tastes like a hint of curry. And
Yes.
Yeah.
I
kinda
love
tastes like your-
yes, this is like something that would come out of my own pop minus all the spiciness because
Right.
I'm sensitive to the
It is
baby's
spicy.
taste buds.
It is spicy, huh?
It's so good. It makes you want to keep eating it.
So I don't taste the curry, I taste the Scotch bonnet and the jerk.
I taste right. You know about that. huh?
curry, but it's really jerk.
Yeah.
I think
Well, I eat this sweet
It
one,
reminds me of
and this is
Ethiopian.
not the sweet
Ethiopian?
one.
I couldn't taste it.
Well, this is this too hot, and yeah, you know I'm not gonna eat that one anymore.
Oh, but you said you wanted the maple syrup.
It's okay, if you like the other ones, then that's fine, you can have some of those.
I think I'll just spoon feed it to you, yeah?
No. I just
Well,
don't
I love
like
these
this.
sauces so much, and I cannot wait to like put them in a meal. I can see one of them on the salad, one of them in the bean dish, one of them, you know, as dipping sauce for our fried mushrooms. It's just, there's so much you can do with these.
It's multicultural. Like you'll have
Just like-
all of the cuisines in one meal.
Just like our diet. Just like our diet.
That's how we do.
Right. And also, if you notice, it's delicious. You know it's delicious because now you have several more people here than when we started the video.
This is
Yeah.
true. Yeah, this. It seems like these sauces were made just for us and our family. Like they were made for us because these really it touches our soul to eat like this.
Coming from a tourist.
You know,
Yeah.
food is life.
And the ingredients are
Wait,
really
is
the ingredients that we usually use, so it's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah, these are good ingredients.
Clean ingredients, no high fructose corn syrup, no MSG, and all those other things that we make certain we don't put into our foods or buy sauces like these with those type of ingredients. So, yes, perfect.
Cool.
All right.
everybody.
Thank you. This
It's really good.
has been an explosive experience. Plant bomb.
Plant bomb is the bomb.